Like a Hellcat.
Hey guy, welcome back to my channel. Today I will let you see and watch my hidden talent. My wife, he don't know about it, but I like you to be happy with us. That is 7 Heaven TV with you. Welcome back again. What is my wife? He will help me like before. Forget me the names, and I will act in that one. I hope so. You get fun with us. Please don't skip my subscribes and make likes for us. Thank you very much. I am happy to see you again.
Don't skip our ads.
Yes, of course, you will not skip. Okay, what is the first subject?
Okay.
I hope so you get fun.
Okay.
I hope so you get fun with us. The fun is here in 7 Heaven TV. Okay?
What is the sounds?
Yes.
The sound of fart and facial expression of the person did it. Intestinal gas
Will
from
sound.
the anus.
Okay. Outside bathroom or inside the bathroom?
Anywhere as long as there is no people. Okay, show us.
If he, for example, outside the bathroom, small tot, like. Well, this is a small tot. If he has colon, somebody has colon.
Diarrhea.
Yes. Please, I will go to bathroom. Oh, okay, go. When he wake up, standing like this, he will until the bathroom. Oh my God. His air going with him until the bathroom. Inside the bathroom, there is people very hard when he install inside the bathroom. Some people like this. The sound for him like this. What happened? There is people also. His tall like bullets, like this. Okay. Then there is people also outside the bathroom. He has too much air in his stomach. Then when he out, he make like this. Right? And also there is people helicopter. You know helicopter? Like this. Okay. There is people also, they have small tot, like this.
Oh no!
Oh, what is this? This very smelly. Everybody knows. Even the cat, he will run from this. Everybody knows. Small tot, only small like this. But everybody knows. Then there is people has like this. No smell. If you get air like this, oh no smell. But small, oh my God! Everybody knows you do something. Okay. Next. What is the next?
What is the sound of unfacial expression of a drunk person?
Drunk person? Like this. Why there is nothing so warning? I will buy one.
If a drunk woman, that is for a drunk man.
Why this building? He has a step. Of course there is a step, but he's not. Okay, when you go to his room, he tried to put the key in the hole. Half hour he is doing like this. Why this? Not going to the hole? Half hour. After 1/2 hour, the guy out. Somebody open the door. Why you are in my home? You say, what is your home? This is not your home. Your home is second one. Drunk. Then after, oh sorry. Then the guy he take him, he put him in his home. Next one is the story is like this. Next. What is the okay, what is the next? I will give you my yes.
What is the sound and
Yes.
facial expression
Yes.
of a crazy person?
Crazy person. Always crazy
Crazy.
person. Moving. Oh, come. There is nobody here. Come. Oh, yes. No. Of course, no. You know, like this. His brain in another world, another dimension. That is we call crazy. His emotion here. In
Outside world.
outside. No, another dimension. He sees something nobody see.
Outside
Yes, outside world. Always talking like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, he's talking to somebody like this.
herself.
Yeah, talking to herself. Then after this, please. What else? Yes, next.
What is the sounds and facial expression
Yes.
of an old woman? If you are, 90s, 80s.
Ah, yes. John! What happened to you? You are not listening to me. You are not like this before. What? What you are saying? You said before you love me. I don't have time for this. I want to sleep. I cannot sleep here. Please help me to sleep. What? I tell you, help me to sleep. What? He don't like to help me because he's heavy. He cannot walk. Oh, no need anything from you. Then there is also, his neighbors to visit him. He brings some fruits, of course, like apple or something like this. Then he is sitting. The old guys, he's sitting like this. He sees the people eating the fruits in his hand. But, tell him, come, eat with us. He say, I don't need, I don't. You know why? Because they don't have teeth. So one of the old women or the man should have little teeth because they cannot make teeth together, very expensive.
Some
So,
there is
yes.
person cannot afford to.
Yes. So what he will do?
to buy to make.
He will take part of the, for example, the fruits. He give me. You are not laughing with me. You're not laughing with that? So we must respect the old guys because we are youngs now. We cannot feeling what he feel. So respect him and care of him because they are suffering in this time of his life. Oh, next.
He will eat the fruits until become liquid.
Yes. You know, sometimes also he's the people angry with him so much, but should be not like this. Next one.
How about the if an old man?
Yes, what
This
is?
is old woman. How about the old man? What is the facial expression?
The old man, he always asking help. Like, help me, please! I want to go to bathroom. The girl, he say, what? You don't need to help. What you say? Help me! I want to go to bathroom. What? No need anything from you. Like this. Always they need help. What is the next? I hope so. I acting like that.
What is the sounds of Laura during her sexual
Oh my
behavior?
God! When he has sexual behavior, oh, he's like a dog.
Oh no!
Oh,
Take Laura, John, take.
I'll come to you again. This is Laura. When he needs to sex.
Habibi.
I'm sleeping at night. Who will bring dog in my home? It's Laura.
That is Laura, our lucky charm.
Okay. I hope.
Okay, go Laura.
Laura.
Ayaw pag ulag-ulag.
Ayaw pag ulag-ulag. Ayaw pag ulag-ulag.
Ayaw pag biga-biga, Laura.
Ayaw pag biga-biga.
Okay.
Ayaw pag biga-biga. I recall that. Again.
Ayaw pag biga-biga.
Ayaw pag biga-biga. I hope.
Oh, what is that?
Acting. That is the truth, you know.
Aywa.
Yes.
How about the person if, for example, he has bloated stomach.
Ah, yes. Oh, when you have bloated stomach, when he go to
He
the
didn't
bathroom.
want to out air like this.
Yeah, he look like this. Like this? Okay?
Okay, that's all for today.
Okay, guys. That's all for today. I hope so you get fun with us. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And
Guys,
like
please
some-
don't forget to subscribe and like in our channel here in 7 Heaven
Please.
TV. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.